Hey there, this is Tobias again from Test Results.io. Another day, another challenge. So let's look at today's challenge. It says, can you enter the crush name in the highlighted box? And you see there is a box on the page that says current crush name, and the trick is to enter some text in that box. So once again, the challenge is accepted, and let's start. I do have a connection to our test system as last time. It's the selectors hub test page, I assume. If we scroll down on our test system, you will see the current crush name down here. And actually all we need to do to solve that challenge, let's call it, is we need to add a text box that is visually represented. So we say current, or we say crush name field, and then mark the crush name field. Again, we don't use any selectors or anything for that. We just find the field based on visual cues and say save image, add the text box, generate the screen. That's it. We scroll up to the top because the funny part on that challenge is, I guess, we need to scroll and not that we need to enter something. So at least it's also a bit challenging for visual testing. And let's write a little test case. So we've seen that we use app site and the field was called crush name field. And we want to scroll it into view. For that, we just need to tell the system that the web browser is scrollable, and if it's there, we enter the crush name. And naturally, hey, thanks for the pointer. My crush is test results.io. Let's see if that works out. That's it. That's the test case. That's all we needed to do. We press F5. Test case is being executed. We switch over to the test system. We see that it's currently still compiling the test case down here. We can then see that it's switched over. It started the execution. It's loading. It's activating the screen. And the funny part on scrolling is that you actually need to make sure that you are on the top first, that you need to identify where you are, and then move to the correct part on the screen. So we identify that we are on the top, we are scrolling down, my hands are in the air so that you see that it's not me. We're scrolling down to find the field. As a human, I can see the field. Meanwhile, can the test case also see the field? Yeah, it has found the field and the test result.io. And I think that is what we wanted to see. See test results.io in here. Hey, thank you very much for looking at that answer to a challenge as well. Or were you looking for the next challenge? Thanks and enjoy the afternoon, evening, or the morning wherever you are in this world.